Yeah. Hold up. I smoke weed, motherfucker. So tell me where my sack. Looking for that loud pack. I know where it's at. Man, I'm connected like extension cords. I go from east to west coast. Man, me and my niggas, yeah, you know we smoke the best smoke. Man, I get that sack. Get that hella pack. Get your bitch falling back. Like, I don't wanna smoke that. We so loud, smell it now. It ain't even rolled up. Fuck the fire, dog, man. You can smell it, blaze up. Man, I got a bomb, and I got a couple blunts. I'm about to get hot. This is like a stunt. Don't try this shit at home, man. Oh no, man, this shit'll have you fucked up. Like, bro, what I'm gonna do, man? I gotta get this money. Pussy niggas try me, and I think it's funny, cause I'm tripping off them hoes. Man, I get them so deep up in this motherfucker. Kill 'em with the flow. Man, it's off the top. I tried to tell them they can't be me. I just be me, man. I'm chillin', call me Fonzie. Happy day, every day. At least that's what your bitch say. Cause when she be around me, man, she smiling ear to ear, man. Yeah, I'm on it, yeah, you on it. And she smile like donuts, and then she go down. And then I really go nuts. And yeah, she drink my whole up. Talking about my kids. She be like, give me some more shit. Bitch trying to drain me up on my fucking G. I'm a motherfucking man. What the fuck you trying to be? Pussy nigga, what you see? You see your fucking thug. But nigga, like I said, I'm a man. That's what's up. Grown, I been grown. Man, got kids, man. Trippin' cause y'all niggas think that I ain't shit. And I be trying to do what I gotta do. But man, fuck it. I be running through them. Yeah, man, I do them. I be getting to them. What? Damn. Mind fucked up, cause I been smoking choker. Now I'm feeling like, damn, I'm a deep smoker. In my mind, shit go crazy. Ask your girl, she wanna be my baby. I be like, hold up, bitch, please. Can you get up off my NUTZs? Yeah, I'm in this bitch, and I represent. Pussy ass nigga, yeah, you know I'm heaven sent. God told me, gotta live my life. Pussy ass niggas, man, they tryna take it twice, right? Take it twice. They wanna kill me that much, man. Back up, cause I don't give a fuck. Ain't scared of no nigga. Better come and try a whole lot harder if you think I'm gonna die. Gonna die? Nigga gon' kill who? Ain't said it can't be done, but come on, dude. You ain't about that life, you ain't about no action. I don't give a fuck, you get subtracted like some fractions. Where did he go? Matter of fact, I know, but I ain't telling no. Use a hoe, use a hoe, use a hoe, use a hoe. Pussy.